Your YouTube banner is the first thing that people see when they visit your channel. A well-designed banner will reflect the style of your content and encourage viewers to scroll down and check out your videos. If you're having trouble coming up with the perfect banner design, we have just what you need to get inspired. What's up, YouTube? It's Lucas here from Snappa, and today I'm going to show you 5 amazing YouTube banner templates that you can customize for free. Let's get started. This banner has a super clean design with 2 photos, a line of text, and a neutral background color. It's a great banner to use for cooking channels and interior design channels, but really, you can use it for any kind of YouTube channel. If you create a free Snappa account, you can just click on the YouTube banner to customize it. You can add in your own photos, you can swap out the text, maybe change up the font, or select a new background color. You can also turn on the safe zone guidelines so that you can see how your banner will look on different devices. This versatile template can be used for any type of content style. The next banner template has more of an artsy vibe with different colors, shapes, and 2 font variations. I can definitely see this banner being used for an artistic or education-based YouTube channel. But, like all of our other templates, you can customize it to fit any theme. You can add in new shapes or edit the existing shapes to match your brand colors. You can also customize the text to your liking. Here, I've switched the font color to black, and it really adds a nice pop against the background. This example is a bold YouTube banner template that you can use for your podcast or any kind of live show. You can add in your channel name and make the text even bigger. You can also type in your release schedule and add any important details in at the bottom. The negative space is perfect for adding in social media icons as well. This minimalistic banner would be perfect for any fashion or beauty-themed YouTube channel. The pastel-colored background and clean symmetrical lines will add a balanced vibe to your channel art. Feel free to adjust the line thickness or maybe play around with a new font. You can also explore our vectors library if you want to add some personality and unique design elements to your banner. This simple template is ideal for minimalist creatives. You should also check out this aesthetic YouTube banner. It's great for vlog channels, photography channels, and film channels. The stunning background image makes a perfect backdrop for the text and the icon. You can easily swap out the background by using a photo from Snappa's built-in stock image library, or you can just upload a photo of your own. Also, make sure to check out our icons library as well. You might find something in there that works better for your channel art. Well, that's all for today's video. If you like these YouTube banner designs, make sure to check them out in Snappa because we have thousands of different templates for social media. And as always, if you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.